Hello everyone, I am Jasmine, an international student studying at the University of New South Wales, Sydney, Australia, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you're stuck choosing between UNSW and USyd, stop scrolling. I've been studying at UNSW for more than 2 years and I know people from USyd very closely. So I know what goes inside both the campuses, not the brochure version, the real version. I'm going to break down the actual differences so that you don't end up at a university that does not match your vibe. Now let's start with the obvious, the location. Both the universities are 5 to 6 kilometers apart, but the vibes are completely different. USyd is closer to the city. It's got those classic sandstone buildings, the giant Hogwartsy quadrangle. Honestly, half the people I know chose USyd because it literally looks like Harry Potter. But here's the catch, USyd is huge, and when I say huge, I mean walking marathon huge. If you have an elective from a different faculty, you're literally walking across suburbs. UNSW on the other hand is closer to the beaches. Coogee is just 10 to 12 minutes away. The campus is modern, compact, and everything is closer. The only pain is upper campus and lower campus stairs, which you will have to climb. But the distances are way shorter than USyd. Now let's talk about student life, clubs and inclusivity. This is where the difference hits hard. UNSW student body, ARC, runs over 330 clubs and societies verified. Events are constant. Brekkie clubs, Stressless Week, Wellness Warriors, Cultural Fest, Friday Barbecue. Something or the other is always happening. It also has a more diverse crowd. International students blend in easily, and honestly, the campus feels very inclusive and very alive. USyd USU has around 200 clubs. The active ones are debating, theatre, faculty, but the day-to-day campus energy isn't as loud as UNSW. Unless you actively hunt for events, the vibe can feel a bit quiet. UNSW simply feels more social. It's easier to make friends, easier to get involved, and you get more of the Aussie uni experience people talk about on the internet. Now let's get into academics because ranking videos online oversimplify this too much. USyd was founded in 1850, the oldest uni in Australia. QS ranking 2026 puts it in the top 25 globally, strong across literally everything: arts, humanities, medicine, law, science, research. Huge legacy, huge global name. UNSW on the other hand is known for being industry focused and modern, particularly strong in engineering, computer science, commerce, law. Great industry connections, practical teaching, and strong job placement reputation. If you want prestige plus research legacy, just go for USyd. And if you want modern teaching plus job focused programs, go for UNSW. Now let's talk about transport and daily convenience. Commuting matters more than people realize. UNSW has 2 light rail stations, UNSW Anzac Parade and UNSW High Street. You get off and you are in class. Buses from everywhere, Circular Quay, Central, Randwick, all hit UNSW easily. USyd has bus stops around campus, but the nearest train station, Redfern, is around a 20 to 25 minute walk for most faculties. If you're coming by train every day, yes, it's a trek. Let's talk about study load, trimesters versus semesters. This is one point that nobody really talks about. UNSW runs on trimester style system, 3 terms, 10 weeks each, usually 3 subjects per term. The downside, no June-July break. The upside, you're not dying under 4 courses at once. Workload feels more spread out. UCIT uses a traditional semester system, 2 semesters, 13 weeks each, classic 4-unit load. You do get a proper mid-year break. For me personally, UNSW structure is easier to manage, shorter terms, fewer subjects at once, and I can balance work and uni without dying. Culture and the actual vibe on campus. Now this is something no ranking can tell you. UCIT is beautiful, historical, prestige-heavy vibe, feels more traditional. Social life heavily depends on your faculty and which groups you join. UNSW on the other hand is more multicultural, more inclusive, more active, people mix more, campus energy is just loud in a very good way. Now which one should you pick? If you want modern campus, more events, more diversity, better convenience, engineering, commerce, CS focus, UNSW is the perfect match for you. If you want historic architecture, global prestige, strong humanities and broad academics, longer semesters, UCIT is perfect for you. UNSW just gives a better student life experience in my personal opinion, but both universities will change your life if you show up and actually use what Sydney has to offer. Hope this helps you make the right decision. Thank you so much for watching and hit the subscribe button if you want more.